My team and I have been able to go ahead and delete over $60 million worth of consumer debt. And what I'm about to show you is an AI method that will make credit repair completely irrelevant. What used to take anywhere from 6 to 12 months and cost thousands of dollars can now be done in less than 14 days by being able to go ahead and utilize the power of AI. No more $1,000 courses from fake gurus or paying a very expensive credit repair company, or even worse, taking years of your life to go and actually study consumer law. And I'll be the first one to tell you, because I've actually done all three of these, and trust me, it wasn't any fun. What used to take anywhere from 6 to 12 months can now be done in less than 14 days by being able to utilize the power of AI. I'm talking about deleting over $50,000 in personal and also business debt without even waiting a full month. So no more expensive credit repair companies that charge you an arm and a leg just to barely get results, or buy $1,000 courses from fake gurus who are regurgitating the same information, or worse off, taking years of your life just to be able to study consumer law. And I've done all this, and quite frankly, it wasn't any fun. And what I'm about to show you, utilizing AI, will completely change the way you look at credit repair ever again. AI is literally the most beneficial way that you can remove anything from your credit report without even being a consumer lawyer or having mastered any of the credit laws. And the only thing that I wish was AI existed sooner. This would have been a game changer back in the day. Instead of being able to research countless hours, now you can be able to get anything removed off your credit report in less than 14 days. So with my team and I being able to help over 600 business owners, you learn a little bit. And one of the main things that I learned is that 94% of all entrepreneurs that we work with don't know how big of a factor that their personal credit score plays in them being able to be successful in business. I mean, being a business owner myself, I get it. Your mind is running at 50 different places all at once, and being able to worry about where your credit score is currently at gets put on the back burner. But as a business owner, if you're gonna put anything last, it definitely shouldn't be your finances. One of the biggest mistakes that I see is that business owners will constantly run their business from their personal credit, and they won't have any type of business credit ever established. So what happens is that they end up accumulating debt, start to get late payments, and also start to get collections and charge off. This automatically disqualifies them from being able to get any type of business funding. But the great part about credit is that there's so many different loopholes, and literally anything that's on your credit report, you can be able to go in and get removed. I don't care if it's a bankruptcy, I don't care if it's a child support, and I definitely don't care if it's a collection, it can be able to get removed. Because as a consumer, you're actually protected by consumer laws, which makes it illegal to have anything that's inaccurate on your credit report. And that's exactly why, as a business owner, one of the most important things that you can be able to do is understanding credit, because they'll actually paralyze your business or help it succeed. So let's backtrack here. For so many years, credit repair meant that you either have to go ahead and actually learn it yourself by being able to go ahead and pay thousands of dollars to self-proclaimed gurus, or being able to go ahead and actually hire a very expensive credit repair company that don't even necessarily guarantee results. And lastly, you can be able to go and spend hours and hours studying it yourself and being able to learn more and more about consumer laws. However, the issue is that traditional disputes don't really work, and they're way too generic and outdated that most of the times the credit bureaus won't even take it seriously. If you ever got a stall letter from the credit bureaus, it's most likely because they've seen the same templated dispute form over and over again, so they're not going to take it seriously. And the majority of dispute letters don't have the legal precision in order to be able to accurately remove items off the credit report. Most people aren't aware of all the loopholes that exist to be able to go ahead and get the credit bureaus to enforce removal. So a lot of times, credit repair just turns into a game of constantly spinning your wheels without getting any type of results. But with AI, it completely changes everything. And it's crazy to think, because I've actually been in the credit space for years now. And by being able to utilize AI for all my disputes, it has literally shocked me. What took over hours and hours just to generate one dispute letter, AI was able to do so in less than 30 seconds. And even better, AI was actually able to write out a better argument by using all the correct consumer laws. This would have took the best lawyer at least 4 hours in order to go to research all the different laws and find out which ones were applicable. And turns out, the credit bureaus actually processed 73% more of AI-generated dispute letters than original credit letters. Due to AI being so specific and precise, by utilizing the right laws, AI disputes are taken a lot more seriously. And the great part about all of this is that AI can be able to go and dispute personal and also business credit. With a credit repair company which are $2,000 to even $3,000, just by being able to maybe get results, AI can be able to do it in 14 days or less without barely spending more than $100. We're going to go ahead and break down the exact 14-day steps that we would take in order to be able to get any item removed off a credit report. So from day 1 to day 2 is what we call the credit analysis. We're going to actually go ahead and get our credit report from myfreeannualcreditreport.com, and we're going to go ahead and put it into ChatGPT. This way, ChatGPT can be able to analyze all of the inaccuracies. I'm talking about late payments, charge-off, collections, bankruptcies, even child support. And that way, AI actually knows which accounts are inaccurate and which accounts are actually positive. Now, day 3 through 4, this is where we actually generate our dispute. So based off of our inaccuracies in the consumer law, it's going to write our specific dispute letter for that inaccuracy. And so if it's a bankruptcy, AI will use that corresponding law in order to be able to make sure that it's not legal jargon and that it actual stick. So by day 4, every single inaccuracy is actually addressed and is put all into one dispute letter. So day 5 and 6 is what we call strategic filing. So we're actually going to go ahead and send out the dispute letters to all 3 credit bureaus. And what we're also going to be able to do is utilize AI to create us a custom CFPB and also a BBB complaint. This allows us not only to be able to attack the credit bureaus, but also be able to submit complaints. That way, we can actually be able to go ahead and expedite the process. Now, we've actually went ahead and sent out all of our dispute letters. So day 7 through 10 is what we call our follow-up system. AI will track all the different responses and go ahead and create a follow-up dispute letter to go ahead and send out to the credit bureaus so we make sure that they're responding in a timely manner. And this way, we can also be able to get AI to create a custom phone script so we can be able to go ahead and reach out to every single credit bureau to be able to go ahead and ensure that they got all of our letters and are working on our disputes. Now, day 11 through day 14 is the verification results. So by this time, the credit bureaus should have already got the letter. We've already went ahead and followed up, and we got super aggressive by being able to go and actually file complaints with the CFPB and also the BBB. By this time, all of the inaccuracies should have already filled out the dispute. So we're going to go ahead and ask AI in order to be able to go ahead and create us a final verification list. And that way, we can be able to go ahead and reach out to all the credit bureaus to ensure that all the inaccuracies have been removed. And afterwards, we can even be able to create a maintenance plan to help not only to be able to repair the credit, but also be able to go ahead and rebuild the credit. The beauty of this system is that it runs in the background. All you have to do is commit at least 2 hours a week to this whole system, being able to go and crack the dispute letters, sending out the complaints, and also following up with the credit bureaus. It's like having an all-star team of credit lawyers working for you 24/7. We've been able to go and remove over $60 million of consumer debt from individual credit reports. And this could not have been done as fast without AI. So by now, you know the exact framework you need to be able to use in order to be able to get anything removed off your credit report. This is the same AI system that we've been able to use with all of our clients and delete over $60 million worth of consumer debt. So knowing the information is one thing, but being able to take action is a whole different thing. So don't be somebody that's addicted to learning, but allergic to execution. Go ahead and run the play right now. Go ahead and utilize AI in the next dispute process. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and make sure to subscribe and tap the bell notifications below to get updated on all these videos that we're dropping. We're dropping straight bangers every single week for you guys. And with that being said, that's it for this video. And like always, I'll see you at the top, my boy.